Charging of power bank and recharging ports is strictly prohibited throughout the flight. Please notify the cabin crew if you notice any abnormality or signs of overheating of your portable electronic devices or lithium-ion batteries.
See you soon guys in Manila. Guys, so ito nagluto kami ng barbecue. Ito yung bakasyon natin. Magluto-luto tayo ng grills ng pork at saka yung isda na malalaki. Tapos yung mga bata. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi Rods. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. So doon sila nagiinuman. With drinking. Yung aming mga karpintero na manug-inom. Ayan. Hello, good evening everyone. So today, the vacation in Philippines is while J-Boy is not here. I'm the one take over his channel, the Black J-Boy, the Black Filipino. So ngayong araw, nagluto po kami ng barbecue for our dinner. Look at this, a big fish. And we got this pork. And guys, masarap siya. Ganito po ang buhay probinsya. Luto. Good evening guys. So, kain tayo. Our dinner for tonight is we got fish, barbecue, pork, and KBL, langka, kajus, at saka baboy. Masarap, masarap. Kain tayo. Say hi, Raj. Hi, Ethan. Hi. Hi, this is Ethan. Welcome to our channel, J-Boy, the Black Filipino. So guys, kain tayo. This is our yummy dinner here in the province of Antique. Because J-Boy is not here. I'm the one like take over of his channel. So, ngayong gabi kakain tayo ng ating KBL. Ito yung masarap na ulam pagbakasyon ka sa Pilipinas. So, mayroon tayong kanin at saka kajus langka, baboy. Ang sarap-sarap. Sarap. Kain tayo. Sarap siya. Masarap-sarap. So guys, thanks for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating dinner.